Hey there, science fans. Today, we're diving into the world of elements to uncover a hidden gem, scandium. Discovered in 1879, scandium might not be as famous as iron or gold, but trust me, it's just as fascinating. This silvery white metal holds a special place on the periodic table. Why? Because it was one of the elements whose existence was predicted by Dmitri Mendeleev years before it was actually found. Now, how cool is that? Scandium is not something you can just dig up. It's pretty scarce in its pure form. We usually find it hanging out with other elements in minerals, but don't let its rarity fool you. Scandium is a real workhorse, playing important roles in various industries. So buckle up as we journey into the world of this amazing element and explore what makes scandium so special. Let's get up close and personal with scandium. As I mentioned, it's a silvery white metal. When it's freshly cut, it almost looks like shiny aluminum, but don't be fooled. Scandium has its own unique personality. It's relatively soft, which means you could scratch it with a harder metal, but here's the catch, it's also surprisingly strong and lightweight. Chemically, scandium is a reactive little guy. It readily reacts with oxygen in the air, forming a thin oxide layer on its surface. This oxide layer actually helps protect the metal underneath from further reactions. Scandium also likes to mingle with acids, dissolving in them to form salts. But here's where things get interesting. Scandium's compounds often emit a bright yellow or orange light when heated, a property that has some exciting applications. Now, for the fun part, how do we use scandium? One of its most important uses is in alloys, especially with aluminum. Adding a tiny amount of scandium to aluminum can significantly improve its strength, weldability, and resistance to heat. This makes these supercharged aluminum alloys perfect for aerospace applications, like in aircraft parts and even rockets. Talk about reaching for the stars. Scandium's talent for illumination doesn't stop there. Remember how I mentioned its compounds emit bright light when heated? Well, this property makes them ideal for high-intensity lighting, like those powerful stadium lights that illuminate our favorite sporting events. Scandium is also finding its way into more energy-efficient lighting solutions like metal halide lamps and even some high-end LED bulbs. So, where does one find this versatile element? As I mentioned earlier, scandium is a bit of a loner and doesn't exist in large quantities in its pure form. It's typically found in trace amounts within various minerals, often alongside other rare earth elements. Some of the primary sources of scandium include minerals like thortvitite and euxinite. Extracting scandium from these minerals is a complex and often expensive process. This, coupled with its limited availability, contributes to its rarity and high price tag. However, the unique properties and valuable applications of scandium make it a sought-after element in various industries. As technology advances and the demand for high-performance materials and energy-efficient solutions continues to grow, the importance of scandium is only set to increase. This hidden gem of the periodic table has a bright future ahead.